Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm outside, so I feel like I have to talk low. Anyways, the other day I posted a video and you guys were asking what's in my garden. One person or two persons asked what's in my garden, so I'm gonna give you a little view or a little tour of what's in my garden. It's not much, you know. The weather is nice, it's sunny and bright, so I thought I would show you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Oh, I found this today in the store. Most Jamaicans know this. All Jamaicans supposed to know this. Gig. No, not gig. Yo-yo. Okay guys, so here's the quick tour. Some of them something here, I don't know the name of them, you know, because this I got for my birthday present and I don't know the name. If you know the name, drop it in the comment section. Alright, so welcome to my little patch of earth. That's it. That's all I have. Alright, so this is an hibiscus plant, but purple hibiscus. I think it's not. Oh, and a purple hibiscus name. Hibiscus Kiss Rose Moon. Oh, I thought it was purple hibiscus. Who has ever read this book, Purple Hibiscus? Maybe that's where the name came from. Alright, so this I got from Gabby. She gave me for my birthday. I don't know the name of it. She told me, but I forgot. Alright, so this here is Spanish mint. I have like 3 different types of mint. Spanish mint. I haven't used any of it yet because I recently planted them, so I want them to get some strength, you know. All right, this is tomato. These are cherry tomatoes. This is I think this is one of the first thing I put in this little garden right here. Look pan my dog. Look pan him. Always I do something mischievous. Tyson, stop drinking that water. Tyson, hey. Okay, back to the tour. These here are some mint. Yeah, I need to weed up, but I'm gonna do that sometime this week. This is some and I mean this thyme. Smell really nice. And it has spread, you know. It has spread like wildfire. The one little one me start with. Alright, that's some mint. Some thyme. This is a white rose. So every now and again one rose pop up. And this was the first one, I think, and then this I have to trim that so it can bear again. This is strawberry. I have 3 of these. Here is one, and one is further down. This is another type of thyme, mint. Why me keep on mix up mint and thyme? This is another type of mint. This is citron mint. So like lemon mint. Citron in German is lemon. This dead, you know, because I saw a flower, but I don't know why not really flower. It's not working since we put it in a flower. Guys, this is lavender. Love it. Lavender. Sometimes me smell it, sometimes, because this garden is all quite new, so you know some of my things in barely strive. So this is another type of mint. This is Moroccan mint. Moroccan. That word on it is German, but Moroccan, like from Morocco, Moroccan mint. This is one like that. I don't know the name, but this is pink. That one is purple. This is pink. I don't know the name, but maybe it's finished for the season. This is a fountain. Let me tell you something about the fountain. I made the video the other day, and the next day or 2 days later, the fountain stopped work. You see, I never see something like this. And this big boy here, I don't know if it's call it big boy or big girl. It's a tomato tree. Tomato, yeah. I did not plant this, to be honest. I did not plant this, but my neighbors, they have some really nice tomatoes. He planted this garden, some really nice tomatoes, and I think the wind brought mine. the wind brought some seeds here, and so I got this really nice tomato tree. And when I saw it, I'm like, oh God, I have to care it. So I trim it up and buy steak for them. And so now, yes, it's thriving and surviving. All right, this is pepper. This is just a pepper. I've not tried it yet, so I'm not sure if it's spicy or it's just a flavor pepper. Chili. This is the other strawberry I was telling you about. Yeah, this is just one hanging plant. These are some more roses. It's quite hot, so the roses are dying now. I just have to trim them and wait for them to spring more. And this is my lovely baby. I love this one. This, I don't know if it's because I got this also very beautiful pot with it as well, but yeah, this is a Abelia. Yeah, the first time I was knowing about these plants, but yeah, that's it. And Tyson in there catch breeze. So that's it for now, guys. This is a table, but me go change it. Me wonder if I already changed it this summer. Me should have changed it earlier. But this is the table where we sit on. It's very old. Either me go change it next week or me go just wait till next summer. This is the umbrella. And one other one we may use to cover the plants. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That's my little garden, the little place where I just plant things, because I like to see things grow. I like progress, you know. So when I plant things, and Tyson's at it again, when I plant things and I see them strive and survive, it gives me a good vibe. If them dead, me not really like that. Like that one that were dead, that one, me get like irritated, like, oh my God, why did it die? It's in the soil, I water it, I give it some food sometimes. Why did it die? But anyways, that's the little garden. Them something here, them bush here, that's for the neighbors. Them look like mine, them kind of look like mine, but no one of mine. All right, guys. See you next time. The beautiful view of beautiful Switzerland countryside. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Maybe one of your friends knows the name of the plants I showed. The ones I don't know, they might be able to share with us what they are. Okay, bye guys.